In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok AI on desktop. If you're new to AI chat tools or just want a quick walkthrough, this guide will take you from opening your browser to having a productive back and forth with Grok, all in a few simple actions. First, open your preferred web browser on your desktop computer. Any modern browser will work fine. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, and if you tend to multitask, consider closing extra tabs to keep things running smoothly. A full-size desktop window also gives you more space to read and type comfortably. Next, head to the official Grok AI website. The safest and quickest way is to use the link I've placed right at the top of the description. That link takes you directly to the official site, so you don't have to search or worry about landing on the wrong page. Once the website loads, you'll see the Grok AI chat interface appear on your screen. It usually shows up front and center. If it takes a moment, that's normal. Just give it a second to initialize. When it's ready, you'll notice a text box at the bottom of the chat window. Click into that input box and type your prompt. This could be a question, a request, or a command. Anything from "summarize this topic" to "help me brainstorm ideas." For the best results, be clear and specific. Add context like your goal or constraints, and avoid sharing any sensitive personal information. If you want a particular style or length, you can say that in your prompt as well. When you're happy with what you've written, press enter on your keyboard or click the send button to submit. Take a quick second to proofread for typos or missing details. Tight prompts usually lead to better answers. Grok AI will begin generating a response immediately and display it right in the chat window. You can watch the text appear in real time. If the answer feels close but not perfect, that's okay. AI responses often improve with a bit of guidance. You can ask it to clarify, expand, or provide examples. To keep the conversation going, just type another prompt. Refer back to the previous message if needed, like "expand on point 3" or "explain that in simpler terms." Grok remembers the context within the chat, so follow-ups become more effective as you refine what you're asking for. That's how you use Grok AI on desktop quickly and easily. Thanks for watching.